Hi everyone, we're excited to introduce our brand new Finance Directory platform. Today I'll give you a quick tour of the platform, show you how to navigate it, and share some tips to get the most out of your experience. To get started, simply log in at financedirectory.crittendenreport.com. As a premium subscriber, you'll have received your login credentials via email. If you haven't received them, reach out to our support team. In the search page, type in a company, category, or location in the search bar at the top. You can also use one of our already created categories below to narrow results by finance type, lender, loan size, property type, or territory. Once you've searched, you can sort results by relevancy, distance, A to Z, and popularity. This ensures you find exactly what you are looking for fast. Once you find a listing you're interested in, click on it to view the full profile. Here you'll see key details such as business information, contact details and website links, property and finance types, and min and max loan amounts. When it comes to making any changes to your directory password and account information, simply navigate to the top right corner and click on Settings. Here is where you can update your password, change your email, and add additional contact information. And that's it. Our new directory platform is designed to save you time and connect you with the right banks and lenders faster than ever.